Today we are going to learn how to create designs in adobeXD, and then we will see how to convert that designs into React Native code. So let's proceed and open adobeXD. Type here XD, press enter, and it will be open. So the tool has been opened, and now we are provided with some options. The screen size here, I'm going to select iPhone 12 Pro Max because I'm going to create design for phones, so I'm selecting this. Now the project has been created for us and the screen is visible on XD tool. I'm going to create a basic home screen of any application. Let me first fill the background. Let me give this color from color picker. I've selected this color. The screen will contain a photo here, and down below there will be a logo. After that here some text, and at the end we will place a button here. Now let's see how to import an asset, any photo from our assets. Simply go to file and go to import, and here select whatever photo you want to place here. Let me select this photo. The photo is imported. Now let's resize this photo according to our screen size. So this is okay. Now it's fine here. Now here we want to add a logo of our application, so let's import a logo as well. Go to file and press import and select the logo. Let's select any logo. I'm selecting this one. Resize this logo and place it in its specific location. Let me place it in the center. You can center any component through this icon as well. So it's centered now. After that I want to add some text right here, so go to text, select it and press here and type your text. Let me type hello first app, and let's color this. Select the text and go. You can change its font size as well. Let me give it 40 pixels, and also you can change its font family from here, but let it go from now, and select the color from here. Let me take it to white. It's okay now. And now place it some well position here. Let me drag it to the top. It's okay, it looks awesome. Let's place another text here. You can duplicate it as well. Press Ctrl D and drag it bottom, and rename the text. For example, this should be our first application. Let me change its font size to 30 pixels. It's okay now, and place it to the center. Now it's center. This one should also be in center. Okay, so they are in center. Now let me place a button here. For a button, let me select the square, the rectangle, and place it here. mm, it's okay. If you wanna round this button, you can do it from here. Click on it and drag it to the center. It will automatically round its shape. Center it, so it's centered now. Now we have to color this button, and then we will add text on it. To change its background color, and go to bottom and fill, and go to select the color from here, whatever you want. I'm selecting this one. Also you can remove its borders from here. Let me remove the border. Now we are left with the text, so go to you can take a new text from here also, and also you can duplicate this text as well. So I'm duplicating it, and let me rewrite this text, for example, uh, home page. Let me name it get started, and then place it right here in the button. It looks awesome. Or let me rename it to only start. Okay, it's okay now. So the screen is ready now. One thing last we can do to rename the name of the screen. Let me name it home page. Okay, because whatever name we give it here, it will generate its page with that name. If you want to convert that design into code in future. So the screen is ready now, and the last thing we are uh, left with is to generate its React Native code. For that purpose, we have to go to plugins and install the Fireblade. If you haven't installed it, you can install it from here. Add the plus button, go to search, and type it Fireblade, hit enter. It will show you the result, the Fireblade with a red icon. I've already installed it, so I'll proceed. Close this menu and select Fireblade. First you need to select your page, your desired page. After that you have to select the Fireblade panel. This screen will appear. Go to setup, and here you have to give it a path where you want to store the code. And here you have to select React Native, because we want to create its React Native code. So unmark the HTML, CSS and all other things. Now I have to give it a path wherever you want to store this code. So I'll store it on my desktop, and here the desktop is selected, and hit close. After that just press the export button. This will start exporting the screen into code. So the file is successfully exported. It has some assets like .js file, one png file, and another also a png, and the location where they store the code is here, the desktop. Press OK and go to your desktop. So this is the folder they've created. Open that folder. This will contain two files, one folder and a .js file. In assets, it will include all the assets which you have used in your design. So these two assets I've used. Now let's see how to run this code. For this purpose you have to create a a React Native project, and I have already created a React Native project right here. Go to Expo projects and let me select this one. uh, Here I have to place the screen. Now take that file from the desktop, copy it and go back to your project, paste it here. Also you have to also take the assets from that folder, copy these both and take them to your project asset folder, paste them in your project asset folder. Now run your project from here. As I type cmd here type expo start, hit enter, it will start your server. But first you need to open your app.js file and render the screen you have imported here. Open with Notepad, you can open it in whatever. So here I have to type its name, the name of the screen. So I've already typed here home page, and the home page was that I've created, so it's fine. Now close this and let's see the result. It will take some time. Let me pause the video, and then if it run then I'll resume the video. So the developer menu is loaded now. Let me run it on a browser because I don't have a simulator or any Android emulator. So let me run it on web browser. Now you can see the screen is loaded here. You can see the button is present, the logo, image, text, everything is fine. So this how to do this all. Thank you.